Okay, kids, overdue on the curfew, low on data, very low. We're talking megabytes, and low on space. So I gotta hurry up and do this. This song is Sound of Silence. Got the CD in the mail today. Haven't had that since I was in high school. So very happy to get that. Oh, stop already. And I wish like out of everything. So here we go. I think. Hello, darkness, my friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its sleep while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sounds of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, in the streets of cobblestones, beneath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light. Split the night and touch the sounds of silence, and in this wicked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared. No one did disturb the sounds of silence, which I do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Take my arms that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell. Wouldn't go in the winds of silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the neon light they made. And this time I had sworn you to the words that it was for me, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls, tenement homes, and the sounds of silence. You think I made it in time? It's a short song when you think about it. It's only like 3 minutes and some seconds. I hope it came out good and I hope you like it. Bye.